remove this plastic trim piece from the inside of the door panel, little screwdriver or trim tool, just literally pop it and pop it off. It has the clip right there and then 2 guide pins. Right here is the electrical connector. Push down that tab and pull the connector out. Then you have 3 mounting nuts. It's a 10mm socket. You want to hold the mirror from falling out. Then just pull exterior side. So this mirror comes with a detachable trim piece that you can get painted the color of your car or whichever you desire. And it's quite easy to install. You have the tab right there. It's going to go right in that spot. Line it up and then just push down and click it in together. Make sure it's sealed all the way around. And then you're going to remove these protective guide pins. Those are the mounting screws. Now you're ready to install. Now with one hand guiding it from the outside, you're going to line up those 3 studs. Start the nuts by hand. You want to snug them right up once they bottom out, about a half a turn. Once all 3 mounted nuts are nice and tight, take your connector, line it up with the design of the cutout, and push it in until it clicks. Now we're going to replace the plastic trim piece. Guide these 2 clips with those 2 inserts. Push into place. Now once it's installed, you can try it out. Make sure it goes in all directions.